He wins best dressed. He's always in his tux.
It hopped. It was very cute.
Oh, he might hop again. Yay! I think I missed it, but I might get another one. No? Not gonna get another one?
Good morning. It is Saturday, and we want to go see some fun stuff in St. Louis or around St. Louis. And so we're going to start off. We found a farmer's market, which was actually hard. It's April right now, and the farmer's markets are just now starting to open in Missouri, or at least in this area. So we have found several that aren't open yet, but we did find one, and I can't remember if it said this weekend was opening weekend or if it was last weekend. Either way.
It just said April as far as I saw.
Okay. Either way, it's like just open for the season. So we're going to do farmer's market, and then we're planning to go to the transportation museum. I think it's a national transportation museum. So we'll go see how all that is and check that out. Bean sprout for you.
Nice. There. Did you see him? Oh. Yeah, that would be good. I love fresh baked goods. Raw honey.
Oh, yum. I think it'd be kind of fun.
Do you want some crusty bread?
I know, I saw that. That does sound good. So we probably have other things too.
Organic sourdough. Chicken teriyaki kebabs, funnel cakes, and teriyaki sauce.
Oh, chicken kebab. I might just do that.
Chicken kebabs.
This is big, Josh.
Yeah? More bread. That dog is like, give me bread. More bread. I'm sensing a theme.
Yeah, lots of bread. Ooh, I like the dried flour art.
Oh, that's really cool.
He like converts tables.
Yeah. That was very cool.
Custom soaps over there, maybe.
Oh wait, this looks like warm breakfasty.
I don't know what I'm looking at. Bread filled with egg, bacon, and cheddar. Oh, stuffed bread.
But they've got like breakfasty flavors. It says Venezuelan. I think it's like probably what Hot Pockets might be based off of.
I don't know. Hey there.
What can I get for you today, guys?
I want to try the all-American breakfast.
Only one?
Yeah, and I
she's-
think I'm gonna try the ham and cheese.
Sure.
How is it?
It's good. It's got like two different chambers.
Oh, interesting. Mine, the bread is really sweet.
I don't know if I'd say sweet, but yeah.
And doughy. It's nice and warm though. It's a good breakfast.
See, I missed that. You didn't. I didn't get to record you saying, "Oh, look at the train."
Oh, look at the train.
I think there's a train going through.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is bell's so little.
It is.
Oh, no, stop.
I want to go ride the train.
I'm sure you.
Yeah.
Are you gonna like tease me because I won't know what anything is and just use the most basic noun? I'll be like, let's go see the car. And you're like, the V8 420 Mustang.
I think you're just digging a bigger hole. I think you're just digging a bigger hole for yourself right now. This one's kind of cool. It's a 1912 Met, and they had a cash reward for anyone who could find a hill that it couldn't climb. That's so funny. I like the old Willys, and then they had the military trailer. Oh, Maggie, if we ever get rich, I don't think I've ever told you this before, but one of my favorite classic cars is the 1970 GTO Judge.
Is this one?
Yes. These things are just so awesome. I love the way these look. I would do a lot of pretty embarrassing things to get me one of these. I gotta get a picture of this for Dad.
Yeah.
It's interesting to me that they have a Fiero. Pretty sure they were notorious for bursting into flames. Oh, hey, I was right. They did have the snippet in here. So predictions ceased in 1988 due to declining sales and the press relating to the car's reputation for catching fire. I could
Give
be.
me this.
Yeah.
You have that. I have this.
This is our next tow vehicle. Pretty sure it wouldn't be able to pull the fifth wheel, but it'd be able to pull our bumper pull.
I have no doubt Tobias will have no problem trying to figure out how to get in there, but poor little Lucy.
Poor Lucy. She is not climbing in that thing. I feel like Tobias would still have difficulty even with the steps.
Yeah, because it's not the right kind of steps.
Yeah.
But that won't stop him from trying.
I bet it's a lot of fun. When they first announced these, I wanted one.
For what?
Just because it was cool. It's a semi-truck pickup truck? I mean, I think this one's lifted.
Oh, it is really high.
Yeah. Challengers are very cool. It's interesting to see they have this new of a car in here.
It feels big.
The Challenger?
Yeah.
They're comfortable, especially for a muscle car. Oh, so these were the little boxes you put your speaker, the sound in your car so that you can watch the movie at the drive-ins.
Oh.
Love the Corvette. I think I just like old cars.
Yes, you do.
I like fast cars. I like slow cars. I like big cars. And I like little cars. I just like things that go.
And yet, you are rather slow moving yourself.
Well, yeah, that's why I need the cars. Yeah. This is the one that you said you wanted?
Yeah.
Driving Miss Daisy?
You can take me to the theater.
Yeah. The theater. You gotta say it right. Monsters. I said it wrong. Back to the Future. Batmobile.
I didn't know the DeLorean was like a car model. I thought it was like just for the movie.
Oh. Yeah, no. And there are people that there are some real hardcore collectors of that car. They've actually, I had heard they'd started, someone bought the rights to it and started reproduction of the original.
That is cool. Oh, excuse me.
I'm sure it's a lot of money though. You have to really want something like that. Especially since it doesn't come with a flux capacitor. Alright, Maggie.
Yeah.
Do you know anything about bells?
These are jingle bells.
This is jingle bells.
No?
What
That's that one.
Okay. I think that one, yeah, that one's right.
Steam locomotive bell.
I think these might be like reins, like for horses.
Or reindeer.
bells. Jingle bells, yep. Sleigh bells.
Boom.
Alright.
This one is a church bell. I don't know.
Ship.
Oh, ship bell.
I was gonna say, I think they all have something to do with transportation.
I know, but it's the only one that I thought was like, I don't know what this one is at all.
Diesel electric engine bell. That's kind of cool. Now we know.
Look at the rainbow. That's so fun. I like this one. Georgia. Oh, it's called the rainbow locomotive.
Well, there's steps. It looks like you're allowed up. Oh yeah, the door's open.
I saw a video on how train wheels work. It's really interesting. I always wondered how, like, with the railroad.
Ooh, I can smell that fuel oil.
Oh, that's what it's smelling?
Yeah. Yeah, you can smell it in houses when you get in it, when they heat with oil. This is loud. We're going through a tanker. That is really cool.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I'm gonna go look at the sign. The Silver Charger. Burlington. Chicago. I thought it would be Chicago. This one was the last one they made of the shovel nose design. This one's got more wood in it. And yeah, you could sit up here. You climbed up and sat up. You could sit up there. One of the crew was always in the cupola while the train was moving, looking for shifted loads or smoke from hot wheel bearings or sticking brakes. Yeah, so there was always someone up here watching. That's interesting. Hey, Maggie.
Yes.
Do you think that you and me combined could move that train with the little hand jobby?
I don't know. That sounds like a workout I'm not willing to do right now.
Yeah, these are kind of cool. It would switch. Looks like it would switch this rail here over.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it switches this whole section over. So if it's going, if it's lined up this way, it's gonna go the way it's lined up now. I think it would go. Yeah. Let's see what's cool. Maggie thinks this is cool.
It is
Whoa.
cool. You got it? You see it?
Oh yeah, the firebox.
Yeah, that's neat.
The old, I think it was the old Bugs Bunny cartoons where like there's things going wrong, and so they're trying all the knobs to figure out how to stop it. Oh, look at this old beast. This is engine's all taken apart. Looks like. Yeah. So this, you can see the inside of the diesel engine. This thing is huge.
Diane and say all aboard, and you guys chime in too. Let's see who's louder, these two guys or the rest of you. Ready? On count of three. 1, 2, 3. All aboard! Good job. I don't know. I think it was great cars on your left. Use the mic.
On the train.
We just indicated that last year. Usually with the arm strap, the two side engines to be torn apart, and the parts used for engines 2 and 3. Used to be yellow, now it's rust colored. That's one piece. Watch your head. good day to
We're the only ones.
you too.
So you're just walking down.
Well, we decided to hit the zoo today as well. We finished at the transportation museum and we still have a couple hours, and we thought we might try to check out the zoo. When I was little, my family did a road trip to St. Louis, and I remember going to the zoo, so I'm interested if it's still the same or if I remember things right. But yeah, let's go see the zoo.
Where are we?
We are at the St. Louis Zoo, which is supposedly free, but the parking is not.
No.
So, and not ideal for
With a
a
dually.
dually.
I did before.
Oh, I see it. It's like mine. Here, sleep it. You see its legs right there? Oh, look, he just stood up. Where? It's like he's one. Oh, they're all over there. Oh, yeah. That's pretty. Oh, wait, there is a bird person. Oh. I got a video.
I did too. Birds? But where?
I've learned you gotta stop telling them that.
You can see him?
Oh, look at them.
And then there's some up at the top, a different breed. Do you see the ones up at the top?
Yeah. I don't think you can really tell what they are. Some hippos.
They're showing us their butt.
They are showing us their butt. I like them. I like them chunky. Going swimming. You stopped.
Me?
Yeah. You just see the one in the.
Oh, there's so many. There's so many. Oh my god.
They are little.
Oh my god,
It's King of the Hill. Look at all the pretty flowers. If only you can grow them this big. Well, I don't want the big bug. That's for sure. Big flower is cool. Big bug, no. Right?
yeah. I like these. This row of, I think they're irises. Oops, sorry, babe.
There's a frog. Or is it a toad? Which one is it?
I don't know, toad? I used to think toads were brown and frogs were green, but that's not right.
So there's a frog.
By Maggie's definition.
Yeah. Whoop!
Oh, look, they have butterflies.
Yeah. There's a dung beetle. They're real close.
And they're very fishy.
You say fishy?
Yeah, you smell them?
Yeah. So close. He wins best dressed. He's always in his tux.
It hopped. It was very cute.
Oh, we did it again.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, it hopped up.
I guess they're just waiting for the next tour to go. Yeah.
Oh, he might hop again. Yay! I think I missed it, but I might get another one. No? Not gonna get another one? Are they all in the water?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. He splashed. There he is. Oh, there's two of them.
Yeah, one for each letter. You did okay. Here, one clean over. This is smudge down there.
It's the bread she wants.
Y'all did a great job cleaning.
Your check will come in. I see a sea lion over there. It's bread she wants.
If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to get notifications for new videos.